Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my vlog. It has been a hot minute since I last picked up the vlog camera, to be honest. I was in this exact same spot literally the last time I was vlogging because it was my first week going into the office, and I ended up spending a lot more time in my car with the camera than I thought. And it's actually been 2 months since then. I've been working in the office for a lot longer now. Today is actually June 1st, and I'm getting the keys to my new apartment today. So I have a lot of catching up to do with you all, but in the meantime, I'm headed to work. I'm gonna get my morning started, and then I'll come back out to my car during my lunch break so that I can get you all up to speed on what has happened in my life in the last 2 months since I last vlogged. Okay, as promised, I'm back in my car. It's my lunch break, so I just came out here to vlog in peace to give you my life update. But like I said in my morning clips, it's been 2 months since I last vlogged. Crazy, because it doesn't feel like 2 months. Time flies. While living at my parents' house and commuting to the office, the combination of waking up really early in the morning and then driving an hour to work and then working all day and driving an hour back, it's not even including bad days with traffic, was really getting to me. It was 12-hour days essentially, and I would just get back home exhausted. And although it started to become easier, at the same time I was also looking for apartments because none of my hometown friends live in the area that my parents are at right now, and I just felt very isolated. So in the past month or so, I've actually been going apartment hunting, touring different units, and trying to figure out what area I wanted to live in. Unfortunately, my office is a little bit out of Chicago, and the commute from the city would have been the exact same amount of time that it takes me right now to commute to the office from my parents' house. So I ended up choosing someplace that was significantly closer to the office. I'm only gonna have a 15 to 20 minute drive, and I can't wait to get the keys later today and be able to show you guys the apartment that I picked out. Today isn't my official move-in day. I think I'm gonna do that this Saturday because that's when I have a furniture delivery scheduled, but over the next couple days I'll be able to at least start slowly moving stuff into there. I also found a table on Facebook Marketplace that my dad and I are gonna pick up today, so it's exciting though. It feels like a start of a new chapter. As far as packing for this apartment goes, I have made pretty much no progress. I kind of packed up some dishes already, and then last night I kind of got to work on packing up my first suitcase of clothes, but there are many more where that came from. I'm not even close to being finished on that, and I'm pretty sure that's everything I kind of wanted to address. I just had a feeling that as soon as I got out of work, I would just be rushing over to the apartment to get the keys, and I'm glad I was just able to take this time, step out, explain everything that you missed over the last couple months. But anyways, now that I took half of my lunch break to explain all of that to you, I'm gonna go back inside, eat my food, and then get back to work for the rest of the afternoon. Thankfully, today is one of those days where time is flying by. I am so grateful. Why am I putting on a seatbelt? I'm literally just driving back across the parking lot. Apparently, I'm the only one who had the idea to sit out here because everyone else that's in the building is eating inside. Hi. Hello, come and join me. Yeah, I was I got out of work. I literally just pulled up to my building. I'm Gonna go grab the keys, and unfortunately I can't even stay for very long because I'm getting a table from Facebook Marketplace in 45 minutes and my dad is meeting me there, so I'm on a time crunch. It's official! I have the keys. I just let myself into the place. It's a newly renovated unit, so they just finished painting the walls, redoing the floors, and you can definitely smell it. The building manager left the windows open, thank God, because I don't even want to know what this place would have smelled like if he didn't. But welcome to my new home. This feels so weird. I have exactly 2 minutes before I need to go, so I'm gonna do a very quick empty apartment tour starting at the front door. Immediately next to the door there is like a entry closet. So got a little top shelf in here, lots of room. Then we open up to the living room area. I have a view of like the front of the building, and then this is the little dining area. We have the kitchen. Where is the light for the kitchen? That is the question. It's not this one. Is it this one? Nope. Excuse me, is there no light in here? I feel blind. Where is the kitchen light? Oh, maybe it's this one. Got it. So we have the kitchen. They said that they would finish installing the washer before I got here, but clearly that did not happen. So hopefully in the next couple days before I'm fully moved in, they get this figured out. So this is a 2-in-1 washer and dryer. So I'll be doing my laundry in the kitchen area, which I'm totally fine with. And then I also have a dishwasher. Everything in the kitchen is actually brand new because the last time I was here, like not even 2 weeks ago, it looked like this. So this is a significant improvement. Anyway, then we move on to the bathroom in my room. So bathroom looks like this with a little sink, shower action, and this is my room. So lots of space. I have another window in here and 2 pretty decent sized closets. But I immediately now have to go and meet my dad so that I can get this table for the apartment. And then we will be right back here afterwards. My vlog camera is propped up in like the weirdest way possible, but it's 8 o'clock. We're finally going home. Didn't really do much else other than set up my table, and I was starving, so hungry, so I made my dad go get slices of pizza at a nearby spot, and I didn't even vlog it, but like just imagine a giant slice of pizza with like all the veggies on top. And I was in heaven because I was hungry. Anyways, gonna make my way home now, and I'll update the vlog when I'm doing something like moving related, because I'm just gonna drive back to work tomorrow morning, but I think I'll pack my car with as much stuff as possible and then like bring it all up to the apartment after work tomorrow, because turns out I'm working from home on Friday, so I won't be in the area then, but Saturday, it's the official move-in day. Hello, so it's actually Friday now. It's been 2 days since I filmed the last clip outside my apartment, and I had intended to go back there after work yesterday. I'm still working today, I'm just working from home, which is why I'm in my kitchen. But I had this master plan, like packed my car full of all these boxes I wanted to bring to the apartment after work on Thursday. I was like making plans to go to Target with Kayla. I was gonna have like a big cleaning night in there. And then I forgot my keys at my parents' house. And they live an hour away from like my office and where I'm going to live. So that didn't really work out yesterday, but I had found out that a coworker friend of mine had just gotten a promotion and it would be moving very soon. So I just ended up going out to dinner and drinks with him and some other people from work. But all of the things I'm packing are piling up, which is going to make tomorrow's big moving day all that more hectic. My last official day living with my parents is today. Crazy. I guess it would be fun to show you guys like everything that's starting to pile up here in our like dining room area. This is all mine, not including the gift bags. That's my mom's stuff, but all full of like dishes, glassware. I have a suitcase of clothes packed up here on our landing upstairs, and then I still have a ton of stuff hanging in my closet. This is all like dresses and my work clothes, so I'm gonna be doing the trick where I like put it in garbage bags while they're still on the hangers. And I have a ton of sweaters in here, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now because it's June, so we'll move this at a later date. Once I log off of work today, I will be having to finally pack up my bathroom. It's been on my to-do list for days and I've just been avoiding it. So I really spread out in here. Like, this is a very big size bathroom for one person. Like, it's all full down here, and like all of these drawers have stuff in them, and I need an intervention. Like, I don't even use that many beauty products, so I'm gonna have to like throw out a lot of stuff and then really tone down what I'm bringing over there, because my bathroom at my apartment is really nice, but there's not a lot of like storage room and counter space. I look like an actual disaster. It's like almost 11 o'clock now. My dad and I spent some time filling up both my car and his car with like furniture and everything I'd set aside downstairs. And I did like the last minute packing of all the clothes I still had to put away. And last but not least, I have to pack my bathroom. Every bone in my body is like, no, go to sleep. You can do it in the morning before you go. But I already know that if I do that, I'm just gonna hate myself.